Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. On selling a pencil box at 20% gains and bowl box at 30% gain, a seller gains $19. If he sells the pencil box at 20% gain and bowl box at 50% gain, then he gains $25. Then find the actual price of pencil box and bowl box. We need to find out. So first of all, we'll assume that let the actual price of pencil box is X dollar and actual price of bowl box is Y dollar. So according to question, what we can write is, it is given that gain of 20% in pencil box and gain of 30% in bowl box is equal to 19 rupees, $19. So gain on pencil box is 20% of the original price, that is X, therefore 20x by 100. Similarly, the gain on bowl box given is 30% of the original price of bowl box, that is Y, so 30y by 100. Now this gain, total gain means add 20x by 100 plus 30y by 100. This is equal to $19. So if we simplify, we can get a relation between x and y, 2x plus 3y as 190. Let this be first equation. Similarly, with the second condition, we can say that with second given condition, we can say, in the second condition it is given that 20% gain on pencil box plus 50% gain on bowl box. This is equal to $25. This is equal to $25. So 20% gain on pencil box is 20x by 100 because original price of pencil box is X. Similarly, 50% gain on bowl box will be 50% of Y. This is equal to 25. So again we will get a relation between X and Y, that is 2x plus 5y is equal to 250. Let this be second equation. Now we can see, if we subtract 1 and 2, we can see 2x will be get cancelled and only Y variable will come, and we can obtain the value of Y. So 3y minus 5y is equal to 190 minus 250, which is minus 2y equal to minus 60. So y obtained is 30. Therefore, let us find the value of x from one of the equation given above. So if we substitute y value as 30, we can get the value of x as 100 by 2, which is equal to 50. So we obtained x and y. Hence the actual price of pencil box, which is X dollar, means $50, and the actual price of bowl box is equal to Y dollar, which is 30. So $30. Now let's check the option. $50 and $30 is option C. So we can say that the answer is option C.